Hello, magandang buhay. This is Lance Liam once again and welcome to my vlog. For today's video, tayo po ay nag-bake ng lobster and prawns thermidor. Ayan po at napakasarap po yan. Ayan po ang ating lunch for today. Bake lobster and prawns thermidor. Tara po, kain na po tayo.